Welcome to this guide on trading procedures on a stock exchange. Whether you want to be a savvy investor or excel in your business studies exam, this will help you master the concept. Step 1. Select a broker. Brokers are registered with the stock exchange and act as your market representative. Choose between full-service or discount brokers. Examples include Zerodha, Upstocks, and ICICI Direct. Ensure the broker is SEBI registered. After choosing a broker, open a Demat account. It holds your shares in electronic form. Submit KYC documents like PAN card and Aadhaar card. The main depositories are NSDL and CDSL. Your broker will help link your Demat account. Step 3. With your Demat account ready, place an order. Decide what to trade: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or derivatives. Specify the order type, market, or limit. For example, buy 10 shares of Reliance at 2,400 rupees. Step 4. Once the order is placed, the stock exchange system searches for a matching trade. Advanced algorithms ensure speed and efficiency. If a seller matches your price, the system matches the orders. The system confirms the match. Step 5. The trade is executed once the best price is matched. Execution means the stock is now legally binding. Market orders execute instantly. Limit orders may take time. Step 6. After the trade, the broker issues a contract note. This document is proof of the trade. It includes securities traded, price, date, time, and charges. Always verify for accuracy. Step 7. Delivery and payment process. Both shares are transferred to your Demat account and payment is deducted from your bank account. Sold shares are debited from your Demat account and proceeds are credited to your bank account. Step 8. The settlement cycle ensures the transaction is completed. Settlement happens on a T+1 or T+2 basis, meaning 1 or 2 working days after the transaction date. The clearinghouse manages this process, ensuring smooth exchange of security and funds. For instance, if you buy shares on Monday, they reflect in your account by Tuesday or Wednesday. These steps ensure stock trading is systematic, transparent, and safe. Now you're better prepared to excel in your exams and explore the world of investing. Keep learning and growing.